What's up, y'all? Jim here with Nick Riding. And today I'm working on a 99 250 F250 and replacing taillights on it. All you have to do, these two 8mm bolts here, pull these loose. Okay, come on. Okay. And then here, let me set the phone up right here. Nice. Excuse me. And from there, they should just pull out, supposedly. Emphasis on supposed to, because currently this isn't cooperating with me. But looking at these, okay, so those have like inserts, so I think I just need to actually pull on it. Yeah. Get these off. There we go. Now in this case, we're just going to pull out the bulbs all together, because all we're doing is swapping the cover. So you just twist, and then here's these. For now, I'm just going to set that there. Got the brand new ones here. See, right there's your top bulb. Right, like so. Okay, come on. Okay. Now that's in there. Now you just push it back together. There's two retaining clips. Oh. Now that already looks a whole lot better. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these bolted up and then show y'all the finished product. Because good grief, that looks a whole lot better. Alright, let's get this last bolt, or screw, whatever you want to call it. Okay. Yeah, that looks a whole lot better. I mean, going from this trash here to that, that looks a whole lot better. So let's go ahead and get this other one installed. Same exact process. Set y'all up right. Let me move this box a little bit. Set y'all up right there. Same exact process. I guess I could put some new strikers on this. That probably wouldn't be a bad idea. But, I will admit that I do want to look at those, at these old tail lights after I get these off. Okay. Well, after I get them replaced and whatnot. Here, I'll stick that back in there before I accidentally touch it or something. Out with the old. In with the new. Just gotta get this to actually. Okay, come on. Come on, buddy, old pal. There you go. There we go. these bolts. Okay. Okay. Now for the other. Alrighty, and then there's that, and man, that looks a lot better than those. I do want to see with these. I mean, these are just covers, I think, or are these glued on there? Well, either way, I'm gonna keep these around for now, because who knows, I might find ones that actually look even worse than that, or I'm just straight up missing the covers, and I'll have those on hand. But hey, I mean, literally, that's a 5-minute job, and that looks so much better than that mess, that hot mess there. But hey, oop. Here, let me get this situated here. This set goes back on the car, but let's just put the tailgate up and see how it looks. Yeah, much better. Much better. So, well, that's an easy way to make your truck look a whole lot better. Whole lot better. So we'll see how them hold up. But, you know, honestly, they fit pretty darn good, honestly. Honestly, I'm impressed. Well, that's going to be it for this short video. See y'all next time here on the Neck Ride, and all. Peace.